Good morning. I'm gonna try to vlog today. I'm going down to my dad's to have him work on my car. It's like 8 a.m. and I'm getting ready to leave right now. Okay, so I'm leaving now. I thought it was gonna be a lot colder. I know that normally I would find this cold, like being in a tank top and shorts, I'd be cold, but I'm fine. I brought a hoodie just in case I get cold, but I also have literally like all of my clothes just in case I need to change into literally anything else, so. Oh, there's the sun. Okay, so I'm leaving. It's 8:35. I'm mailing a letter to my mom first. I think that will make her happy, hopefully. And I'm sneezing a lot because I hugged Eva, I guess. So yeah, this is me traveling down to my dad's this weekend. I normally on the weekends spend a lot of time with my friends. We went to Hocking Hills the other weekend and I was gonna vlog that, but then I was just like, no, you know? I've been very busy with work, but I'm not gonna vlog work, and then weekends are usually pretty chill. And when they're not chill and I'm doing something fun, I just kind of want to enjoy it, you know, and not worry about getting good footage and whatever, you know? So I'm trying to provide some decent content this weekend. Hopefully I can actually do that. Okay, so I'm at my dad's. This is my second cup of coffee. It's like a little after 11. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Getting lunch with my Nana around 1. And right now we're just chilling, gonna enjoy the outdoors and the peace and quiet. And he's fixing my car. We need 5W40. 5W40. Okay, we're back at my dad's now. I'm going inside. I have my hoodie around my neck, but he fixed my control arms. Both of them. That is insane. P-plane. Oh, sure. Look at it. I mean, she's fine. Little scrawny boy. There's my dad. There's my dad. He just fixed my car. I'm spending the night down here. We're going over to my B&D's. My Baba and Zizo. It's 9:22. We're at UDF. They're getting some milkshakes. I don't need a whole milkshake though, so I'll probably just have some of Camille's. But yeah, today's been pretty good. My dad fixed my car all up and changed my oil, and I got to spend like the whole day with him and my Nana. And I got to see my sister too. And I got to see both my mom's parents. So a very good day. I love my family. And it's nice to be down here. That'll probably be it for this vlog. But I know that Camille and I are probably gonna read some notes from our good jar that we had as a family from 2014. So we'll probably read some of those tonight. I might vlog a little bit of that, but I don't know. I feel like this is a good stopping point. So if that's it for today, good night and thank you for watching. I might vlog tomorrow, but I might not. It just depends. I probably will. I have to go back over to my dad's to get the rest of my laundry. And then eventually at some point I'll go back up to Cleveland. But yeah, that's the vibe for tonight.
Yep.
Left.
Yeah.
Naturally. We just had an amazing lunch. I've got a whole bunch of sauerkraut that I'm really excited about. It's about 2:45 and I'm leaving. Nar, hopefully gonna get back up there before 6. That's the goal at least. That was literally one of the craziest gas station experiences I've ever had. She was cleaning the women's bathroom, so I asked her if I could use the men's, and of course, several men came in right after me. So when I was done, I literally just like ran out. I have hand sanitizer in my car, so I like tried to sanitize that way, but I literally just like sprinted. I was like, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Okay, I'm like half an hour away. I had to pee so bad. I'm not even gonna get gas. I'm just gonna go. So, yeah, bye.